In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import map data from OpenStreetMap into SketchUp Free. This is a handy process if you're looking to design or conceptualize spaces using real-world data. Let's jump into it, starting with OpenStreetMap. First, head over to openstreetmap.org. This is a fantastic tool for accessing comprehensive and up-to-date map data from around the world. Once you're there, zero in on the area you're interested in. You can look for a specific city block, a detailed street layout, or even a particular site. Use the navigation tools available on the map to zoom in or out and move around the map until you've pinpointed the exact location you need. After selecting your area, look for the Export button, conveniently located at the top left corner of the page. By clicking this button, you're initiating the process to export the map data. You'll want to choose the section of the map that you've been focusing on, and once you're ready, go ahead and click on Export. This will download a file containing geographic data that we will soon use in SketchUp. Now that we have our map data, let's move on to SketchUp Free. Open your web browser and visit appsketchup.com/app. If you haven't already, create a Trimble account or sign in if you have one. This account is necessary to access the full features and capabilities of SketchUp Free. With your account set up, it's time to dive into SketchUp. You'll start by creating a new model, so click on New Model to bring up a blank canvas, which is where all your creative ideas will come to life. Next, we need to import the map file that you just exported from OpenStreetMap. For this, look for the menu option in SketchUp. Once you click on it, you should find an option labeled Import. Select it, and a new dialog box will appear, offering you the choice to import from My Device. Navigate to your recent downloads, select the file you obtained from OpenStreetMap and import it directly into your SketchUp model. And that's it! You've now successfully imported map data from OpenStreetMap into SketchUp Free, setting you up to start crafting or analyzing your space with accurate geographic information. Remember, getting familiar with the interface and features of both OpenStreetMap and SketchUp Free can significantly enhance your efficiency and creativity in any project you undertake. I hope this guide helps you on your journey to creating professional and realistic designs and models. If you'd like more tutorials, be sure to check out the rest of our videos. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling!